In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trending Gemini 90s styles online using Google's Gemini platform. We're going to take you step by step through this exciting and creative process, ensuring you're equipped with all the tips you need to create something truly unique and memorable. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Google. Simply type Google in your address bar and hit enter. It will lead you to their homepage, which is your gateway to the multitude of tools and platforms available, including Gemini, our destination for today. Once you're on the Google homepage, the next step is to search for Google Gemini. Type it in the search bar and hit enter. This search should lead you to a variety of results. What we're looking for here is the official Google Gemini website. It's usually one of the top links in the results. Go ahead and click on it, and it will take you directly to the Gemini platform. On reaching the Google Gemini interface, look around for a plus sign button. This button is your access point to upload an image. Clicking on this will open up your file explorer, enabling you to navigate through your folders and select the image you'd like to work with. Choose an image that inspires the 90s aesthetic you're aiming to recreate or experiment with. With your image uploaded, it's time to get creative. In the prompt section, type in any specific ideas or styles you have in mind, like colors, themes, or elements that scream 90s for you. This input will guide the tool to produce something that closely aligns with your vision. Remember, the more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Next, locate the Tools option within the platform. Clicking on the Tools will open a variety of additional features and settings that can further refine your creations. Here, you'll also find the Create Images option. Click on it to begin the actual image generation process. After you've applied all your settings and prompts, the next step is to click on the Submit button. This action instructs the platform to process your input and generate the desired image. Depending on the complexity and server traffic, this could take a few moments. And finally, once the rendering is complete, your image is ready. You'll be notified that the image is done, and you can view it in its full glory. This is the moment to appreciate your creation and, if needed, make any additional tweaks using the tools available. With these steps, you've now successfully created a trending Gemini 90s image. Whether for personal enjoyment, sharing with friends, or using in your latest project, this method opens a new frontier of creativity. Enjoy exploring and creating more exciting pieces with the incredible tools available at your fingertips.